In this video, I'm going to show you 6 different ways that you can make money on YouTube without Google Adsense. Google Adsense is a good opportunity to make money. However, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And even when you get that, you won't start making real money until you have a ton of subscribers. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money with your YouTube channel and you won't even worry about AdSense. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbold with alstongodbold.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, Google AdSense could be a good opportunity to make money, but it does take a while. You need thousands of subscribers, you need millions of views and comments and likes and all that good stuff. So in this video, I put together 6 of the best ways to make money with your channel. And to help us find different ideas and to show you how profitable it can be, I'm going to use this website here that helps us find low competition niches to show you that this can work in any niche. So here I am. I'm just going to press this button here and we're going to get 3 new niche ideas. We're going to use these ideas to help us find different ways to make money. So here we go. I'm going to click on this and you can see Cayman Islands immigration, sofas for tall people, and toy spiders. So we're going to use, for this example, sofas for tall people. That's kind of an interesting niche, but this could be a way that we could make money with our YouTube channel and not even worry about AdSense. Now, the first thing that we could do is with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is easy. It's obvious. It's when a content creator like yourself can make money by recommending or selling other people's products and services. There are tons of affiliate programs out there. Most people just rely on Amazon, but there are tons of them out there. For example, we could just search based on our niche. We could say sofas for tall people, and then we could type in affiliate program to see if there are affiliate programs that are dedicated to just sofas for tall people. There's nothing that jumps out to us, so we could just type in sofa affiliate program. And what you're going to see is there are tons of affiliate programs out there. The 10 best home decor affiliate programs. You can use everything from IKEA to Wayfair. There are tons of them out there. So what you would do is you would simply find an affiliate program that has products and services that you want to promote. You would sign up to join their affiliate program. For this example, I'm just going to use Amazon to show you how easy it is. So we're going to go to Amazon.com and you can scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen here and you can look for something like become an affiliate. Or if you want to work directly with Wayfair, you could type in Wayfair Affiliates Program, just like this, and it'll take you right to their website and you simply apply. Now, most affiliate programs are free to join. You may or may not need a certain number of subscribers or viewers. You simply go through apply. Once you are accepted, you get your affiliate links. Your affiliate links are links that you'll put in the description of your videos. When people click on those links and make a purchase, that's when you can earn a commission. So that's #1, is simply with affiliate marketing. #2, believe it or not, is to sell your own merchandise. And there are a few different ways to do it. One way is to create merch with a website like Teespring. Now, Teespring just recently merged with Spring, so it's all the same. As you can see here, you can create all sorts of stuff with Teespring. Now, you would probably want to promote your logo. You probably want to create a logo and have your logos put on these different apparels, or you could find different ideas, get different inspiration based on your niche. For example, our niche is within sofas. So we could say, we could play on sofas being for short people. You could, come up with different taglines and slogans. You could hire someone to come up with those ideas for you. What you could do also is you could go over to a website like Fiverr and you could hire somebody to come up with logo design. So you just type in logo or t-shirt design. We could do t-shirt design like this, t-shirt design, and you can hire somebody to create t-shirts for you for as little as $5 or $10. Now, one thing that you'll notice with Spring or Teespring is that in order to have a merch shelf placed on your YouTube channel, you need to have 10,000 subscribers. However, you can put a link to your store right in the description of all your videos and start making money that way. The cool thing with Spring and Teespring is it's basically hands off. Once you upload your logo or your slogan into Teespring and you put that link in the description of your videos, they'll take care of the selling. They'll take care of the payment processing and shipping out your merchandise. But like like I showed you here, we could come over here, t-shirt design, and tell them what your vision is, tell them what you're thinking, and they'll actually come up with something for you. And you could put it right into your Teespring store and make money. The other cool thing with Spring or Teespring is actually will give you an idea of about how much to charge. And so it makes your life really easy, and this can be really profitable. Now, again, you do need to have 10,000 subscribers on YouTube in order to have this merch shelf, but hey, that's something that you could work for or work towards over a long period of time. But having a link to Teespring in the description of your videos can be a great way to make money. Another way that you can make money, and it's going to be kind of difficult for this niche, is to sell your own digital product. So what we could do, if we go back over here, we could actually create a guide to turn a regular couch into a sofa for tall people. If that was our niche, that's one way that we could do it. We could create an ebook, we could create a video training, and we could sell it for as little as $5 or $10, and we could make money. This is a really profitable way to make money because once you create a digital product, you just sell it. You don't have to keep recreating it. You don't have to keep building it out. You can sell it 24 hours a day, and depending on what you're selling it and how much you're selling it for, it's completely hands off. There's low refund rates, and it's really easy to do. Now you have two options. You can either do it yourself or you can hire someone to do it. Now for hiring someone to create digital products, I like to use the website upwork.com. Again, you tell them exactly what you want. If you want a book, an ebook, a course, a blueprint, a guide, this is great. Now, if you wanted to do a video training, maybe you're taking saws and all of that stuff and you're creating longer couches based on that, that's probably a video training where you'd actually want to be a part of it, but you could create a digital product and sell it yourself. Now, the cool thing with this is you could even put affiliate links in the digital products that you sell. For example, let's say you're selling an ebook where you're telling people how to convert a normal IKEA couch into a couch for a 7-footer. You could include affiliate links to the different tools that they need. Maybe they need a special saw, a special hammer. You can include affiliate links there. You can also include affiliate links to IKEA right in your digital product. Maybe you're creating a book to help deal with tall people psychologically, maybe to fix their mental issues, because being tall is difficult. It's a challenge that some people have. And so there's all sorts of ways that you could make money selling digital products. Now make sure that the digital product and the affiliate marketing are congruent with your target audience. For example, if we're creating content about sofas for tall people, it would not make sense to promote products that having to do with vacationing in the Cayman Islands. You want to make sure that the things that you're promoting and talking about are congruent with your target audience. That's going to be a great way to ensure that you make good money. Now, another way that you can make money is with Patreon. Again, Patreon isn't great for everything. If you've got a vlog style channel, if you've got a channel where you're talking about different historical events, you're talking about current events, that's going to be a good way to invite people to join your Patreon. Now, Patreon is simply a membership site where people can join on a monthly basis. The cool thing with Patreon and membership sites in general is that they provide recurring income. If you don't want to use Patreon, you could also do the same thing with a Facebook group. You could create a private Facebook group and you could charge people monthly to be a part of the group. So if we do Patreon here, just like this, you can see you can create different tiers or different levels and charge even more for those different levels. Now, again, this is really going to be heavily dependent on the type of content that you create. As you can see here, video creators, podcasters, musicians. If you have a podcast, it does seem to work out really well. If you have a gaming channel, that could work out very well as well, because you're going to offer more exclusive content. You can be more interpersonal. You can talk to people one-on-one. You can also do the same thing with the Discord. Discord seemed to have grown in popularity recently. You could create a private Discord where you share more current information, more relevant information to a smaller group of people. Now, remember that when you're looking at these different ways to make money, it's going to increase over time. So the first month, you'll probably have maybe 1 or 2 people, but by year 2 or year 3, you might have thousands of people that are buying your digital products and buying your Patreon subscriptions, and you can easily scale and make money. All of this without having to worry about Google or YouTube AdSense. So after that, after Patreon, we have selling physical products. Now, selling physical products is a great way to make money. If you are in the couches for tall people niche, you can sell custom-made couches. This actually works really well if you have a brick and mortar business. So if we go over to YouTube, you can see there are tons of like car dealerships that are selling cars right from YouTube. If you have, once again, a brick and mortar business, for example, security camera companies, we go security camera. Security camera companies are creating content and then they're selling their security camera installation right from their YouTube channel, or they're selling their own custom products right from the YouTube channel. And you can see this is a great way to make money because you are building a connection with people that are interested in whatever product or service that you're selling. People tend to know, like, and trust you a little bit more because they can see that you're creating content to help solve their problem. I think this is a really cool way. And once again, you're creating a physical product. The only drawback to creating a physical product is you have to take the time out to actually make the physical product and ship it and all of that good stuff. You have to deal with returns. But creating and selling physical products can be a great way to make money with your YouTube channel. And the final way that I like to make money is simply with email marketing. Now, the cool thing with email marketing is simply that it allows you to combine these other ways that I mentioned and make even more money. You can scale your business with email marketing. For example, if there's a new product that came out for tall people, you can send everyone that's on your email list, send them a message letting them know that there's a brand new product for people that are taller than 7 foot. It'll make them feel like they're 5'3" and to check it out. If people click on your affiliate links in your emails, you make money. And so email marketing, basically what you'll do is you'll find an email marketing provider. There's tons of them out there. There's GetResponse, Aweber, ClickFunnels. You'll join them, and then you can actually build a landing page. The landing page is designed to collect their email address, and then you can follow up with them when you have a new YouTube video out, when you're selling a new digital product. Maybe you've created a new merchandise, maybe a new t-shirt. You can send that out, let them know that that's available, and you could potentially make money. So just to recap, you could start with affiliate marketing, selling merchandise, selling digital products, Patreon, physical products, and then email marketing. Now that you know 6 different ways to make money without AdSense, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.